Hey, I'm Ashley with the Haircut Box. In this video, I'm gonna give you a quick trick how to connect the top and the side part of your haircut so you have a nice, even blended haircut without any shelves. Also, if you like what you see, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button at the end of this video. I wanna address a super common problem that a lot of people deal with when they're doing this haircut. With the shape to the part, this top is long, pushed back, but then a lot of times you have no idea how to blend this long part into the short part of the hair. A lot of people forget to blend in both guides. You need to blend in this top guide and this side guide. So bring little sections of the hair like this. Here is the top part right there. See how there's your guide? And you need to connect it with this short guide. So basically take all of this side hair off. So here's my short guide right there. So I need to angle my fingers out until I hit that top guide. If you can see that right there. There's my top guide. Here's my bottom guide. Angle my fingers to where it makes a straight line and cut all of that. Super easy. A haircut is all about creating fluidity in a haircut, and so you want every line to flow into the next. So we'll take another section. Find your top guide, which is easily found by pulling it up and then pulling it down. So you can see how there's a short part and then this long part. Of course, there's a weird shelf right there because there's not a straight line. So pull that out to the side. Find my top guide, which is right there. And angle my fingers and connect those dots. So now that I've connected the dots with this haircut, I've still got kind of a bulky line right here. At least it's all fluid. Now what I need to do is just take this bulk away by taking my texturing shears and cutting right into the ends of the hair, taking away all of that bulk. Doing the same thing, just with different scissors. All this is doing is taking the bulk right out of the ends of the hair. It's not taking any more length off, which is what we want, because we still want this long part on top to be able to be pushed back for the style. We just want it to flow better with the short part of the hair. I usually like to take this back part quite a bit more textured because it's sometimes a little harder to style right back here along this swirly part. See right there how it's bulky just right there on those ends? If you could feel that, you could feel like a definite bulk right there where I've cut it. Make sure you're utilizing these texturing shears. These will literally take haircuts from being good to great. Now that I've got this top part textured, now I'm just going to put my comb up through the short hair and run my texturing shears right over my comb and take out some of that bulk so it blends it in even better. So I just took off quite a bit of hair and hardly any length. So I hope you try this. If you're struggling with this part to blend, it's a super, super easy, quick fix. Totally change the whole look of the hair.